Here are the steps for downloading and installing Python on your computer. Step 1. Visit the Python website. Go to the official Python website. It is recommended to download the latest stable version of Python. Step 2. Choose the Python version. On the Python website, you'll see different versions available for download. Select the version that is compatible with your operating system. For most users, the download button next to the latest stable release is the appropriate choice. Step 3. Select the installer. After choosing the Python version, Step 6. Customize the installation, optional. During the installation process, you may have the option to customize the installation. You can choose the installation location, add Python to the system path, recommended, and select additional components or features. It is generally recommended to keep the default settings unless you have specific requirements. Step 7. Begin the installation. Proceed with the installation by clicking on the Install or Next button. The installer will copy the necessary files and set up Python on your computer. This process may take a few minutes. Step 8. Verify the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can verify if Python is properly installed by opening a command prompt, Windows, or Terminal, macOS Linux, and typing Python version without quotes, followed by pressing Enter. This command should display the installed Python version.